Relative pronouns connect ideas in sentences. Today we focus on the word that. That works for both people and things. It introduces important information about a noun. That is a relative pronoun. It refers to people or things in defining clauses. Defining clauses give essential information. Use that without commas. That often replaces who, whom, or which. The book that I read was amazing. Here that tells which book. The man that helped me is kind. That identifies which man. That connects the description to the noun. Use that for essential information only. That works with people, animals, and things. No commas before or after that clauses. That shows important identifying details. Practice using that in sentences. The house that Jack built is very old. The girl that won the prize is my cousin. The movie that we watched last night was thrilling. Read each sentence aloud. These are the correct sentences with that. The house that Jack built is very old. The girl that won the prize is my cousin. The movie that we watched last night was thrilling. The car that is parked outside is mine. The book that you gave me is fascinating. Fill each blank with that. The woman blank teaches English is very kind. This is the phone blank I bought yesterday. The team blank won the match celebrated. Say the sentences with that inserted. Here are the completed sentences. The woman that teaches English is very kind. This is the phone that I bought yesterday. The team that won the match celebrated. The restaurant that we ate was crowded. She is the friend that I trust completely. Great job practicing that.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.